Khubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usambut Menteri Rangba Kajalla uba Prestun Tynsong hanya kasngi ulong banjubab ikijing keno kibaman kasngi kimdon porshu bantrei nagabanta Kajalla. Ulong ru bada ki hajar teli kimi kijing keno Hynrei ka sarkar ka shimkhia halwar bun kiman. Ula benrap ru da ka baong ba ka sarkar kala shimkhia bat thung ru yaki komiti ki bantokin. Habay de baka jing kano jong Dr. Mukul sangma baka dan ka jing khayi tu yu daw yang nakalyang uba prestun ulaong Dr. Mukul uday ban Leit chakaan balada udan ki jing pensisha day ban Kynthoh Tang kilat Pathai Khubor Hynrei ban Leit Kibor jong kaan lakade ka CBI ne ki central agencies.
If you talk about the media, be it electronic, be it print media, if you say that we have to take legal course of action, how many thousands of such statements printed or came out in the social media? I personally feel this is not at all possible. I think if we take up these issues individually or as the government, then we don't have time to work for the state. So I personally feel these are the issues where ultimately, let people take cognizance, let people also, the moment they see such a statement, be it, as I said to you, in the electronic media or the print media, I think ultimately we need to go deeper to that by going through all the details, whether this allegation is correct or not. And as I said to you, just because of the allegation made, I think not less than thousands of such allegation made till today, right from 2018 till today, I think thousands of allegation made. So there are issues where we have already taken it up, like setting up few inquiry committees. We did that, and we keep doing it depending upon the gravity, upon the seriousness of the allegation made.
But the leader of opposition has accused the MDA government of acting as an accused when it comes to this alleged coal racket.
Well, if that is the case, let him go. Why not he take the process of legal course of action? In fact, allegation is what? If you really have the evidence, hard evidence, I would suggest those person concerned who made the allegation, don't make it only allegation in the press. You need to do deep. Then we do have here independent authority concerned where you can go. Be it CBI, you can do it. And then other agencies, be it central agencies, be it state agencies, we do have here. So I personally feel, any person, and especially the leader of opposition, if he is really serious about this allegation, I think why not he initiate, go, file, be it in the court or be it in the independent agency, as I said to you, then you will ultimately find the reality and the truth and the facts of such allegation made. How many allegations that time when I was part of the government also? I think everybody knows that. What has happened in that what is that guest house? I think you must be knowing it. And now it is said that it dies on its own. That's what I'm telling you. There are so many allegations. Even during Mukul's time, his 8-year tenure as chief minister, thousands of allegations. That's what I think, being a measured politician, a leader of the state. Before talking, I think you need to think of yourself first. You need to understand first. Because as I said to you, everybody have a record. If you go back, right from 2010 when he took over as chief minister till 2018, what has happened? What were the issues? I think all of you know that. So therefore, I personally feel, as I said to you, see now, just because this is the election year, you trying to create an allegation, and number two, statement made, because why? Because the election is in your doorstep. So you try to create confusion to the voters of the state. But I'm telling you right now, let me just tell you, voters is voters. I think they are wiser than anybody else. You cannot say anything on this. Let us see on the day of counting what is going to happen. But as far as MDA government is concerned, as far as NPP party is concerned, we will work hard, we continue to work hard, and we will go to each and every villages, to each and every locality to make people understand, the voters understand, and I'm sure they will also vote in favor of the NPP.